Very good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to our online class. My dear children, welcome to our moral online class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, my dear children? Yes, okay. Do you watch our last class video? Yes? Then why you didn't send me any snapshot, my dear children? Did you copy the notes in your moral notebook? Yes? Only few students sent me a snapshot. What about the remaining students, my dear? Okay, my dear children, after completing your work, don't forget to send me a snap, okay? Okay, very good. Shall we start our today's lesson? Yes? Okay. So, today we gonna learn our 8th lesson. Lesson number 8. So, my dear children, the title for our today's lesson is Zia loves aloe. Zia loves aloe. Here I am gonna show you video for this lesson. Okay, my dear children, watch carefully. After that, I will explain it, okay? Now, listen carefully. Okay, my dear children? Yes?
Sia loves Alu. Sia had a cloth elephant named Alu. She liked to have Alu next to her when she slept. Alu was old and faded. One day, Sia's mother gave her a new doll. Soon, Sia forgot about Alu. Alu lay in an old trunk, sad and forgotten. One day, Sia's class teacher announced that there would be a puppet show on Children's Day. She divided the class into 4 groups. Each group was asked to use toys as puppets to tell a story. Sia went home and looked through her toys. None of her toys moved when she tied strings around them. They all were very stiff.
How will I take part in the puppet show, Mummy? I don't have a puppet,
cried Sia. Mummy thought for a while. Suddenly, her face lit up. Wait, Sia, I think I can help you. Mummy took out Alu from the trunk. Alu was limp as he had very little cotton stuffing in him. Mummy tied strings to Alu. She held up the ends of the strings high. Alu dangled merrily. Sia said excitedly,
"Oh, Mummy, he's perfect. I'll take Alu to school tomorrow."
At school, Alu was loved by all the children. As Sia pulled the strings, he moved his trunk, pretending to drink, eat and splash water on his back. The other toy puppets were made to sit on him. The children had fun watching them ride on Alu's back. Sia's elephant was the most popular puppet in the show. Now, Sia sleeps in her bed every night with her favorite toy tucked under her blanket.
My dear kids, tell me what's the title for our today's lesson? Yes, Sia loves aloe, right? Sia loves aloe. Yes, my dear children, from this title you can know that we gonna see about Sia and aloe, right? Yes, my dear children, this is Sia, okay? The small girl name is Sia. Her cloth elephant doll name is Aloe. This doll name is Aloe. Okay, my dear children? Okay. Dear children, now you all know who is Sia and who is Aloe, right? Yes. Sia is a small girl. Aloe is a cloth elephant doll. Right, my dear children? Yes. She liked to have Aloe next to her when she slept. Okay. Sia liked Aloe more. When she was slept, she used to have Aloe next to her. Okay, my dear. One day, Shia's mother gave her a new doll. One day, Shia's mother gave her a new doll. Do you want to know what happened next? Okay, listen carefully. Okay, my dear children. Soon, Sia forgot about Aloe. Yes, my dear children. Now, Sia forgot about her old doll, that elephant doll. Okay, she forgot that Aloe and she used to play with her new doll. What happened then? Now, Aloe was feeling lonely because Sia is not playing with Aloe, right? So, Aloe saying, I wish Sia would play with me. I feel so lonely here, cried Aloe. He had been locked up in an old trunk. Sia locked Aloe in an old trunk. Now Sia went to her school. Okay. Her class teacher, Mrs. Baru, what's her name? Mrs. Baru announced that they are gonna conduct puppet show on Children's Day. So she divided the class into 4 groups and asked the students to use their dolls and toys as puppet to tell a story. Okay, my dear children, do you understand? To conduct that puppet show, her class teacher, Mrs. Baru, divided the class into 4 groups and asked the children to use their toys for the puppet to tell a story. Now Sia reached her home. Sia looked through her toys and tied a strings on all her toys, okay? But all her toys were stiff. So Sia went to her mom and cried, How will I take part in the puppet show, mummy? I don't have a puppet. Like that, Sia cried to her mom. Then Shia's mom thought for a while. My dear children, are you listening? Do you like the story? Yes? Okay, very good, my dear children. Now her mummy took out Aloe from the trunk and she tied strings to Aloe. She held up the end of the strings high. Aloe dangled merrily. Now Sia said excitedly, Oh mummy, he's perfect. I will take Aloe to school tomorrow. Yes. Now Sia is gonna take Aloe to her school for puppet show. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Now Sia participated in the puppet show with her old doll. Yes, Aloe. This Aloe was loved by all the children at school. Mrs. Barrel, her class teacher, also delightedly said, Your elephant was the popular puppet in the puppet show. Now Sia was very happy. Okay, my dear children. Then, now Sia beamed as he held Aloe close to her once again and said, You are the real star. Now Sia sleeps in her bed every night with her favorite toy tucked under her blanket. Yes, my dear children, again Sia loved her old toy Aloe. Again she was used to slept with, yes, Aloe. So, my dear children, the moral value we learned from this lesson is resourcefulness, kindness. Resourcefulness, kindness. Resourcefulness means the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties. The ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties. Kindness means the quality of being kind, That means a kind act. Okay, already we learned about kindness, right? You all know about kindness. Resourcefulness means in our lesson, Sia's mother take quick and clever idea in the difficult situations. What's the difficult situation we saw here? Yes, Sia cried to her mom that she can't participate in the puppet show because she forgot about her old toys, right, my dear children? But Zia's mother took Aloe from the trunk and she tied the strings to Aloe and make Aloe for the puppet show. Because of that reason, Shia was very happy, right, my dear children? Yes, this is a way we can make being resourcefulness, okay, dear? Then one more thing we learn from this lesson is we should not forget about the old things when we got new things, okay? Not only things. Similarly, we should not forget our old friends when we make new friends. We should be friendly with all of them, okay? We should not forget about old friends when we got new friends, okay? This is the important things we learn from this lesson, okay, my dear children? And one more thing is, nothing goes to waste, okay? Nothing goes to waste. We should not waste anything like food, natural resources and so on. We should not waste anything, okay, my dear children? Everything we can make something resourcefulness, okay? There are so many children, they didn't have toys, okay? They didn't have food, okay? We are blessed with good family members. We are blessed with more foods and toys, right, my dear children? If we bought any new toys, you can lend your hands to give your old toys to toy bank, okay? There is one toy bank. Okay, my dear children. Sweta Gopalachari is the founder of this toy bank. She collects old toys from people. She gives them to children who don't have any toys. Yes, this is Sweta Gopalachari, okay, who is in left side of your screen, okay? She is Sweta Gopalachari. She was the founder of Toy Bank, okay? She collects old toys from people. She gives the old toys to children who don't have any toys. My dear children, do you know in 2012, Sweta set up a toy library in Delhi. Yes, Sweta Gopalachari set up a toy library in Delhi. In that library, the children, those who didn't have any toys, they used to come there and play with the toys. Yes, my dear children, if you have more old toys, you can also give the old toys to her. Ask your parents to help you, okay? Yes. Then tell me, what are the things we learned from this lesson today? Yes, we should not waste anything. We should make resourcefulness, right? Yes, very good, my dear children. And one more thing is, if we got any new friends, if we got any new things, we should not forget about old friends and old things, okay? Yes, very good, my dear children. Hope you all understood well and you all enjoyed it, yes? Yes. So, today let's wind up our class till we meet in our next class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you, my dear children, for listening this class. Have a great day.